Hello and welcome to machine learning tutorial part 3. So in this tutorial we are going to start up with a project, and this project was generating a scorecard from cricket commentary. So this data set is in text format and we are having line separated data over here. Of this is a one inning commentary, so this is a 20 overs one inning match commentary in which there is a line called Chawla to Miller. So this is bowler's name, this is batsman name, and comma separated how many runs are there. Okay, and we were expected to generate this scorecard of all the batsmen and all the bowlers. So let's import our text, that is text is equal to open. Now file name data.txt comma read function. Okay, so this text, we are having the text. So now I wanted to make a list of, and that list should contain all the lines from this text as an element. Okay, so documents equals empty list. So for r in text dot split, I wanted to split by /n. So now this documents dot append. So now this document list will have every line as an element. Append r. Okay, so let's print this document. What is it? So this is first line, second line, this is 0th element, this is 1th element, this is second index, and third element. Okay, so now if we see that after every ball number there is a sentence which contains all the necessary information to make the scorecard. So this is a bowler name, then this is batsman name, then runs, if it is 4, and if it is no run. Okay, so now let's see what is outlook like. That's on 4.2. so Andre Russell to Gale out and caught by Rashid. Okay, so this is like we have to find every sentence, every element after this ball number. Okay, so let's just find the ball number first, then we will find this line. So to find that we have to write a regular expression for that. Okay, so ball will be a list, and in this list we will have all the ball numbers. So re dot find all. So now comma text. So from text I want to find all the elements which are having this type of regular expression, and I will write regular expression over here. Okay, in place of underscore. So let's just write our regular expression. So in cricket we have from 0.0 overs to 9. 6 overs, I will write this ball numbers regular expression in two ways. First from 0 to 9.6 and then from 10.0 to 19.6, or we can say 20. Okay, so this element which is after the decimal will always be from 0 to 6, and this first element from 0 to 9. So let's just write a regular expression for this one only. And we should also see that this is /n and this is /n. So before and after there is a /n. So let's just put /n, 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 and in between that we will write a regular expression. So let's just write a regular expression for this only. Okay, so it will be from 0 to 9 for the first digit 0 to 9, and then after decimal point, and after that from 0 to 6, or so this is for this regular expression is for this much quantity, and now for this I will write another regular expression. For first digit it will be 1 to 2. Okay, from 1 to 2, and for the next digit it will be from 0 to 9. Okay, then after that decimal point, and after that it will be from 1 to 6. Okay, so now we will get all the ball numbers in ball. So let's just print ball also. Okay, so here we can see that we have all the ball numbers. Okay, so if we print this ball length, so there are 125 ball numbers, but we see that in 20 overs match, if ball number is 6, then 20 into 6, that is 120. So there should be 120 balls, but there are 5 extra balls, so they are extras. Okay, means 5 balls are thrown more. So now after that, what I want a list containing all the important information. Like I want this whole as a first element in a list and this whole as second element in a list. So let's just make this list. So first we have to find the length of documents. What is this? Documents. So let's print length. Okay, 368 lines are there. So let's make a cent. So this cent will contain first the ball number, and the second is going to be the information. Okay, and ball number is going to be all the ball numbers list. Okay, so let's append those things. For I in range L, I want to traverse in documents. So if document of I means that element, if that element is in ball, so if document of I is in ball, that is if this is 18.6 and if 18.6 is in this, then this condition is true. Then what I want is, I want a sentence, and that sentence should be equal to ball number plus the information that is just after that. Okay, to the ball number. So this document of I plus, I want it comma separated. So plus document of I plus 1. So this is document of I, this is document of I plus 1. So let's add this sentence into sent. Make a list, append dot append sentence. Okay, so let's just print this list sent also. So now we see sent is a list containing all the necessary sentences. So this is the ball number, this is a bowler, this is a batsman, and numbers scored. If there is out, this is 4 or 4. Okay, so sent is a list containing all the important information. But we see that this is from 19.6 to 1, but I want from 1 over 2, from 0th over to the last ball. So let's just reverse this, sent dot reverse. Okay, then it is reversed. Now print sent. Now it is from 0 to 1. Okay, so now the list is reversed. Just print the first element. So the first element is this, of course, and first element is going to be 0. This is 0. So if I make another list in which I will have these things as separated, so I will get a meaningful information. So let's just make x is equal to length of sent. So there are 125 important lines, ball numbers and the information respectively. So let's just make another empty list line for I in range. For I in range x, I wanted to traverse in sent. Now line will have line dot append. I will append sent of I, and I want it to split it by comma. Okay, so this is first, this is second, this is third, and so on. So line will contain a list of this. Let's just print the length of line, print lx print length, and let's just see what is line of element 0. So we see that there are 125 lists like this. This is one of the list of 125, and these all 125 lists are also lists, and these lists have zeroth element as ball number, and on first index they are having bowler and a batsman, and on second index the runs. Okay, so let's just find all the bowlers and batsmen. So batsman equals empty list, bowlers equals empty list. So for I in range x, sorry, lx, I am in this lx I want to travel. So let's just make a empty list players. In this list players I will append all the bowlers. No, I want all the list which is separated by 2. I want this element and I wanted to separate it by 2. So this players list first element will be the bowler and the second element will be Rahul. So players equals line ith elements first. So this is just like line 1. So this is for I. For every line I wanted to access first element. This is first element and I want to split it by 2. So if I split this by 2, then I will get 2 elements, this and this. Okay, so batsman dot append, I will append the first I will append element present at first index of players first index. This will be first index. Rahul will be at first index, that is batsman. And for bowler dot append players 0th element, because bowler's name will be at 0th position in players list. So let's just print batsman. So these are the batsmen from all the batsmen that has batted. So but there are duplicates present over here, so let's just find all the unique batsmen and bowlers as well. Okay, so okay, now we will make a new list. Batsman equals list. This list will have dict dot from keys as men. Okay, and same goes for bowler also. Paste bowlers. Let's just print batsman. So these are the unique elements. If we would have made sets, then we would not have to do this. So let it be like that. So let's just print our line. So line was a list of list. So 0th element, I said this would be present. So this is present, and first element is this, means index 1. Sorry, this is second element, index 1. This is first element, index 0. Okay, so now we will make a data frames, and those data frames will be a data frame of raw batsman information and bowlers information, in which this in for batsman, batsman's name will be the index, and columns names will be the attributes which we want there, and for bowlers so on. Okay, so this video is already long, so I will make another video in which we will continue to make a empty data frame first, and then we will write some code and update that data frame. So see you in next one.